Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking prerequisites so you can move fast. Pick a front-end framework and back-end pattern, for example React with Node or Next for server rendering. Once chosen, initialize the repo and add CI so merges stay safe. Next, sketch a wireframe and list the core KPIs and required data endpoints. Make sure to include authentication and metrics types now. This avoids rework. Begin coding a minimal layout and stub API responses to validate flow early. Now implement the core components that make the dashboard useful. Build a responsive grid, header, sidebar, and routing so users navigate quickly. Then code reusable chart components and table primitives, add filters and client-side caching to reduce requests. Connect to real APIs with pagination and error handling, validate data shapes. Once data flows, implement role-based view logic and secure endpoints. Make sure to test edge cases and performance under realistic data loads before polishing UI details. To finish, optimize the build and enable SSR or static generation where appropriate, then deploy behind a CDN for low latency. Add monitoring and structured logging so you can trace issues. Use feature flags to roll out changes safely. Run accessibility and load tests, then fix any regressions. If something breaks, check logs and network traces first, then reproduce locally with mocked data. Revert feature flags if needed. Finally, document deployment steps and runbook so the team can operate the dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.